In a quiet village, there was a large, wise old tree standing in the middle of a field. The tree had thick branches, juicy fruits, and cool shade. All the children loved to play near it. But one little boy, named Rohan, was always in a hurry. One day, Rohan came running to the tree and shouted, "I want fruit, now!" The tree smiled and said, "Dear Rohan, good things take time. Wait for the fruit to ripen." But Rohan didn't want to wait. He picked a green fruit and bit into it. "Yuck!" he cried. "It's sour." The tree said gently, "Patience, little one. If you had waited just a few more days, the fruit would have been sweet." Rohan frowned and walked away. The next day, he returned and saw other children enjoying the sweet, ripe fruits. He went to the tree and said, "I understand now. I will wait next time." The tree nodded kindly. "That's good, Rohan. Patience brings sweet rewards."